Doctors treating Saif Ali Khan said that the actor is currently recovering at an excellent rate and can currently work well. While saying that there is no reason to worry, Dr. Nitin Dange, the neurosurgeon who operated on Saif, said that the actor is safe to be shifted from the ICU to a special room. The doctor also shared the good news that Saif will not suffer any neurological deficit because of the incident. He, however, cautioned that the wounds suffered by Saif, especially in the back, has the potential to turn septic and precaution has to be taken to avoid it. Well, Dr. Dange said that Saif has been advised to rest and that his movements will be restricted for a week. He added that Saif suffered 4 wounds that were deep in nature. He also said that a sharp object touched Saif's spinal cord but fortunately did not damage it.
Mr. Saif Ali Khan is doing excellent and we made him walk. He can walk well, there's no problem, there's no much pain or any other symptoms. So looking at his parameters, his wounds and all the other injuries, he is safe to be shifted out of the ICU to a special room. Only thing what we have advised and the do's for him that he has to take rest for some time because of the wounds on the back especially, which can have chances of infection, and his movements are restricted for a week almost, for the most important reason that he had an injury in the spine and which has been repaired. The fluid which was coming out has been repaired, which has a potential chance for infection. उनको 4 मेन जख्म थे जो थोड़ा सा डीप थे, 2 हाथ में, एक गर्दन पे, और सबसे डीप और खतरनाक जो था वो रील की हड्डी में। एक शार्प ऑब्जेक्ट उनका रील की हड्डी में गया था। आप भी सर ने जैसे बताया कि वो ड्यूरा जो स्पाइनल कॉर्ड का कवरिंग है, स्पाइनल कॉर्ड को टच कर रहा था बट उसको डैमेज नहीं हुआ था, तो वो ऑपरेशन करके हमने निकाला। बट वहाँ से स्पाइनल फ्लूइड लीक हो रहा था, वो रिपेयर करने की वजह से उनको हम ऑब्जर्वेशन में बेड रेस्ट पे अभी रख रहे। बट आज का जो उनका अपडेट है, ही इज डूइंग एक्सीलेंट, वुंड्स आर वेरी गुड एंड देयर इज नो नथिंग चेंज एंड उनको कोई भी न्यूरोलॉजिकल डेफिसिट नहीं है।